Hello, parents and students. I'm Mr. Sauceda. I'm your ELA teacher. Um, some of the parents and even teachers have expressed some concern about submitting assignments correctly in Google Classroom. This is Leggett's first year using the Google Suite, as we call it, but I have a little bit more experience. I came from Livingston Junior High, and this is what we used was Google Classroom for everything. So I'm a little more well-versed. So I'm going to take you through submitting an assignment to Google Classroom, um, and I'll be posting the link to YouTube, and I'll share it with all my classes and with the teachers. So as you can see, I'm signed in. I have an example class ready. I'm signed in as a student, so you guys are going to see my example basically in the same screens that you guys see. So we're going to start. I'm going to click on the class. And then I have an assignment posted from 5 minutes ago. And so we're going to go ahead and click on it. So for an example, it's just example assignment. Say your teacher asks you to answer your assignment on a Google Doc. So what you would do is you would add or create. You can click Google Docs. It'll take you to create the doc. Sorry. It's going to take a little bit. And then, so now what I do, I'm just going to exit out of the tutorial part. I'm going to click on the doc and say, I have to write something. So I'll write, this is a test. You see up here where it says save to drive. Google does this really cool thing that as you're typing, it saves basically every edit you do. So if for any reason you're typing and your battery dies or you lose internet, everything is going to be saved. Very rarely will we have issues with Google not saving an assignment. It will happen. It has happened before with my students last year, but generally it does not happen. So I've written something. This is a test. I'm just going to exit out. It's already saved. So now that document that I wrote, this is a test on, will be right here already. If I click on it again, you'll see that it's saved what I wrote. Now I can go, I'm going to show you a couple other things before I click turn in. So now if for some reason, I have something that I've already typed and I want to attach it from my Google Drive, I can click Google Drive. If, for example, I want to add a link, just click link, little attachment there, and I'll paste. That is the Google Classroom code for the example class. I would just paste it there, add link, and I'll add link. And there's also, if you have a file on, say you're working on a home computer instead of a Chromebook, you have a file that you want to attach, you can attach it directly from there. Here's some other Google Suite things. This is to make a PowerPoint. This is to make a spreadsheet, and this is to actually do a drawing. I don't think may be using Google Slides in my class. I don't know about the other teachers, but generally you're going to be doing Google Docs. Once you have it turned in, you can click turn in. Like when you have it attached, you can click turn in, and simple as that, it'll turn in your work submitted by attachment. Okay, I'm sorry about that. I had to take a quick pause. So we have the work submitted. I'm going to show you kind of on my end what it's going to look like. So we'll go to my school Google account. We'll hit example class, and so now this is what I see. I click on the assignment. I have one person turned it in. I view assignment. I can click, and I can read the doc. If for any reason, I can put, like, say, where is it? Here it is, right in red. Say fix sentence. structure. Okay, in red. So there, say someone did something wrong, I can click return without a grade. And then I'll go back. Oops, my bad. So we'll go back here. So now it's returned to me. So I fix, I'll just say, and so it shows up here. That's how you'll see it if I have to return anything. And I'll just say, my bad. And then I will turn in again. And I will go, oh, that's the wrong one. We're gonna go here. And so now it's turned back in. Sorry, let me refresh. So now it's turned back in. Got 100, I fixed it. And now I have 100. So that's simple. That's just how it's gonna work. But the biggest one is, I know that a lot of people were having trouble with submitting their assignment. So it's been graded. You'll see after you get a grade, you'll see it's been graded. Then if we're grading, let's see, people should be able to wait. There is a way to check your grades, view your work, and you can see that you got a grade. 100 out of 100. I didn't put a due date. And so you'll be able to see what's upcoming that you guys should already be aware of. And I think that's really it. If for any reason you need to email me, my email, I'm going to type it here so you guys can see it, is fsalseda@leggetisd.net. And then you can also just use my Google email. That one may be a little harder to get to me. That is double check. fsalseda.leggett@gmail.com. Okay, and I'm not posting the email in the other classes. Should be relatively easy to get to, and if not, this video, you can come back and reference the video if you need to. I'm going to just go ahead and post it so it's there. So those are my emails. If you need anything, please email me at any time, but I answer emails from 6 in the morning to 8 p.m. Anything after 8, I'll answer the next day. Unless, of course, it is an extreme emergency, but I don't foresee an extreme emergency over homework. For sure, we'll answer you as soon as possible. So I think that should be everything. Thank you guys, and hope that helped. If you need any more tutorials, this is my first one, so I'm a little rocky. But if you need any more video tutorials, I can do that. Just tell me what you need to know, and I'll work on doing that. Thank you.